Welcome to ARM Technologies KSA. Introduction about annual maintenance contract and preventive maintenance. Annual Maintenance Contract (AMC) is services agreement between a service provider and a client for the maintenance and support of equipment or machinery over a specified period, typically a year. Preventive Maintenance (PM) is a proactive maintenance strategy aimed at preventing equipment failures and ensuring optimal performance by regularly servicing and inspecting machinery and systems before problems arise. Interplay between annual maintenance contract and preventive maintenance. Regular maintenance, both annual maintenance contract and preventive maintenance. Emphasize regular maintenance to prevent equipment failures and extend lifespan. Scheduled services. Annual maintenance contract often includes scheduled preventive maintenance as part of the contract. Annual maintenance contract and preventive maintenance, it's work together. Integrated maintenance plans. Many AMCs include preventive maintenance as a core component, ensuring that regular servicing and inspections are conducted as part of the contract. Holistic approach. Combining annual maintenance contract with preventive maintenance. Ensures a comprehensive maintenance strategy that covers both routine preventive tasks and any additional repairs or support needed. Efficiency and reliability. The combination enhances equipment reliability, operational efficiency, and overall productivity by systematically addressing maintenance needs. Annual maintenance contract and preventive maintenance. For workshop machines. CNC lathe, manual lathe, manual milling machine, VTL vertical turning lathe, vertical machining centers, drilling chine, radial drilling machines, horizontal boring machine, band saw machine, cylindrical grinding machine, surface grinder. Thank you for watching. Please reach out to us if you have any inquiry.